Hey everyone, this is Wes from SaaSKit, and in this video we're going to be walking through the white-label SaaS that you're going to be able to offer your customers using SaaSKit. So in a previous video we walked through the demo admin panel, and in this one we're going to walk through what your customers are going to see when they log into your web app. So right now I'm on trysaaskit.com/demo, and you can go on this anytime and you can explore and experiment with these demo customer app and demo admin panel yourself. But I'm here right now. I'm going to click the demo customer and it's going to load up the web app. Okay, once it's loaded, this is what your customers are going to see when they first log into your app. It's going to have your primary color and your button hover colors here in the light blue. For this one, it's a light blue. You're going to have your logo in the top left corner. You're going to have your custom text that you've decided. There's going to be a contact support button that goes to your customer support email address. And they're going to see like their free trial tab in the top right here. For this demo, I just have it on an unlimited amount of credits, but you can set it for whatever free trial credits that you'd like. The standard is about 2,000 free trial credits, which is 2,000 words or a certain amount of AI images generated, depending on what you choose for the credit cost. Down here is a bunch of stats that the customer can see, how many generations that they've made, their images, total credits used, words written, total characters, etc. So that is the dashboard on the left side. When they click into documents, it's going to be a list of all the documents that they have created. Hopefully there's nothing bad here because I am leaving this up for the public to use. No, everything's good so far. So untitled, that's the default title. This person did a temptation of pizza, delicious slice of heaven. They're writing an article, but any of these can be clicked in. Let's click into this one. And it goes to their text, which they can write whatever they want. And they can also generate text down here. And that is just the basic default editor. So I won't do that for this thing, but that's the documents panel. I'll go back into this just to show you. They can search any of their documents. They can check any of them that they want. They can delete. They can export to a docx. They can copy, or they can create a new document at any time, which does this, and it brings it right to the editor. So that's the basic default editor that you get. Now, the next feature that we offer is the generate feature, and this is a copy of WriteSonic. It's a clone of that web app. So just give it a second to load here. We start you off with a bunch of default templates like blog titles, paragraph writer, article ideas, article outlines. But the cool thing about SaaSKit is you can create an unlimited amount of templates and you can customize them. So whatever ideas you have to generate with AI, you can do that here. There's also a saved option, so you can see all of the generations that your customers have created. And yeah, I'll just click into one of them to show you how it looks. Let's say they wanted to make a Facebook ad. They click into Facebook ads. And then in this input box, it's asking for a product service name, product service description, the tone of voice, and then how many outputs. And then they can generate that text, and that text will show here, that AI generated text. So with a custom template, you decide what the input box is going to be named and what the prompt says in the background. That's the generate feature. The workflows feature is a new one we just released, and it's a copy of a Jasper.ai feature. And I'll just click to see how it works to show you. What you do is it walks you through the process of creating an article with AI. So you start with the intro. Let's start here. Start with the intro paragraph, the title of your article and who your audience is, and then you will click generate. And once that's done, you can choose if you like that text and you want to put it into your document. You would click next. The text shoots up into here, and then it will scroll down to the outline, and then it'll keep going to each paragraph, and then finally a conclusion. So that's the workflow. I'm going to go back. The next feature available is a quick post feature, and that is just a snap create an article, 500 to 1,000 word article in a matter of minutes. Just write an article title and an audience, and then you can click generate, and it creates that article for you. The next feature that you can choose to enable or disable is the transcribe feature. it uses a different API than the OpenAI API. So you have to sign up for Assembly AI, but it's completely free. They give you $10 of free transcriptions right from the start. So you can offer this to your customers immediately. And how it works is you upload your file, either an audio or video file. If you want to create a summary of that article, you have that option as well. And then you can click next, and it takes a couple minutes. And on the next page, it will transcribe your video or MP3. Now we got the art, AI art generation. SaaSKit offers two models right out of the box. Model 1 uses OpenAI, and Model 2 uses Stable Diffusion or Dream Studio. So with Dream Studio, it's an example of an image that someone created. We could just do this live here. Dream of a distant galaxy. Oh, this is not connected in the demo. Sorry about that. I will get that fixed. But this is the type of images that you can create with, let me just show you another example, with the Stable Diffusion model. And the other model is the OpenAI. So we're going to go down into Summarizer. So the Summarizer is, you can paste in an article or a news article, a video, whatever you want, and it can summarize it to the key sentences or summarize by paragraphs. You can choose the summary length, and we have a max of 10,000 characters. You click summarize, you'll get your summary of the text down there. Now let me just move this around so I can get the other stuff. The next feature we offer is Tweet Generator. And Tweet Generator will give you a series of tweets, up to 12 unique tweets that you can use for your social media marketing. You choose what you want to tweet about, or you can choose some already decided topics. So we have fitness and nutrition, government, make money online, and it will create multiple different tweets. And right from this dashboard, you can shoot it into your Twitter and tweet from there. So it's a quick way for content marketing, social media marketing, and you can get traffic to your website that way. So that's the Tweet Generator. Article Spinner. This feature rewrites an article. So let's say you have a blog post around a certain keyword and you want to write a similar blog post, paste it in here, it will spin that article. In the back end, what it's doing is it's taking each paragraph from that article and it's rewriting it and then putting it back together again. So that's how the article spinner works. And then last but not least, let me go back here. We have the auto blog feature. And in the auto blog feature, this is one that you can enable or disable from your admin dashboard. Why you can disable it is your customers can create up to 25 SEO optimized articles all at once. And that could be pretty costly for your own API key. So we give you the option to enable or disable. Soon we're going to give you the option to put it on a premium plan or a standard pricing plan. But this feature is pretty cool. Your customer would type in a bunch of SEO keywords that he wants to rank for. So let's say it's an AI writer, this app. So I'm going to go AI writer. I'm also going to do AI content generator, AI image generator. I would hit generate posts and it would create a bunch of the posts around each keyword. So it takes about 30 seconds to a minute per article to be written. And what's cool is they can export all of these articles to CSV and then import them to their favorite CMS. So whether it's Webflow, Bubble, WordPress, whatever, they can upload all those documents into their website. And finally, we have the profile page of your customer. And just simple stuff here, their name, company, domain. This shows all in your admin panel. And then last but not least, you got the billing. And when they're ready to subscribe, they can go to the billing page, which would have your pricing plans, your annual plan, how much the credits that they've used during their free trial. And they can have a billing portal that they can visit anytime to cancel their subscription, renew, modify it, whatever. So this is going to pull from the data that you've chosen. You can see the colors, you can see the numbers, and you get 100% of this profit. This is your web app. These are your customers, and these are your payments that you're getting. So that's a quick walkthrough of the customer web app that you get with SaaSKit.